Alright guys, what's up? It's Adam Lee Gang. You're ready to do a bike check on my 2012 kink barrier. First off, I got the Oddessey par ends, the kink alpha grips, the Tecro U-brake, the Oddessey cables, a snafu detangler, and an S&M top plate, a Misson Tylon 50mm stem, some stock forks, a Misson Echo hub laced to a allionation rim with a duo stunner tan wall tire. I got the Oddessey Burlington sprocket, the Misson Transit cranks, the Misson component pedals, the Tecro brakes, the Misson seat clamp and seat post, and a kink pivotal seat padded, the duo stunner tan wall tire, and a allionation rim, stock hub, a KMC 510 chain, and that's pretty much my bike, guys. Thanks.